Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation Mode. Right, this is the 30 days challenge. Right, we are continuing on it. Day 7th, right, programming challenge. Right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it, enable notification for future challenges. Right, it will go on until 30 days. Right, please subscribe. Right, if you haven't solved previous 6 challenges, please solve it. Right. Today is day 7. What is the challenging question day 7? Check if string is an isogram. Check if a string is an isogram. What is that mean? Right. What it mean? Isogram has no repeating letters. Suppose mission is a one string. Right. Each letter M should be unique, A should be unique. Right. You should not repeat either small or capital. You should not repeat. Each character should be unique. Then that is called isogram. Right, programming is not an isogram because here R is repeating, G is repeating, M is repeating. If any single character is repeating, right, that is not isogram. Right, then we have to verify. How to verify? We have to write the program and verify whether it is isogram or not. Right. Then everyone please start the program. I think everyone understood. Right, whoever participated, please start the program. Once it is done, please comment in the comment section. Right, let me start. Day 7 challenge. Okay, we'll create a one reusable method is isogram is okay string input. Okay, now how to call this? We can call this boolean output equal to is isogram. Right, I will send is isogram only. Okay, just not is, just isogram. That's it. Isogram. Okay, fine. Now first we will convert to either to uppercase or lowercase. First we have to convert it. Then it should be in all similar characters. Right. Input dot to lowercase, convert to lowercase, so that all will be in lowercase. Here what I will do, here I will take one hash set of character at chars equal to new hash set. Right, now just I will convert this input to 2-char array. I'll convert to 2-char array. Okay. Once converted, by using the for each loop, we can iterate one by one character. Now what I will do here, if set, right, otherwise just I will set so that it will be easy. Set dot contains, right, set dot contains C, set dot contains character. If it is already contained, right, if we already character is contained, what it is not isogram, then just we will written as a false. Otherwise, finally return true. Right, if it is already character is matched, right, then we will return false or return true. Right, that's it, simple. Now, if output, if it is true, right? If output is okay, then just print it as system.out.println given string. What is the string? Right, maybe we can take it in a on str string str equal to string str equal to isogram. Okay, then pass this. Right, then given string is isogram. Okay, else else given string is not an isogram. Okay, simple. Just we have given isogram right as the input. Given string is an isogram because it don't have any repeated character. Alright. Suppose if I give Java, right? What should be the output? Right. See here one more thing I forgot to add one more thing. If else what we have to do, we have to add to set, right? Then only characters will add, right? This is the mistake. Add to C. Right, we forgot. Right, I forgot that. First we have to add. Then only it will contain either true or false, it will come. Right. Isogram. Right, first thing. Okay, is it isogram? Right, it is an isogram. Then A, B, A. Run as. Okay, see, it is not an isogram because A is repeated. A is repeated, so it's working fine. Right, simply here, first convert to lowercase and then take one set and convert input array into, right, by using two char array, convert string into array, character array, then iterate one by character. If set contains already this character, that is not an isogram. Already exists means it is not. Else add, else set dot add. Right, if it is right, there is no repeating character, then it will return true. Right, whoever completed, please post your answers in the comment section. Right, whoever participated, thanks for them. Right, whoever did not get a chance, right, once you get a chance, please watch this video, practice the program. Right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for future ongoing challenges. Right, please share to your friends and like the video. Thanks for watching.